Click on the link below to get price. The TsoLay Commercial Embroidery Machine is designed for those who require a reliable and efficient tool for their embroidery projects. With its 12 needles and single head, this computerized machine presents a blend of functionality and advanced technology that can cater to various embroidery needs, from small business operations to personal crafting endeavors. At first glance, the TsoLay model appears sturdy and well-constructed. The aesthetic design is modern and user-friendly, which can be essential for those who may be new to embroidery or looking for an intuitive interface. This machine includes a large LCD touchscreen that simplifies navigation through its numerous features, allowing users to select patterns, adjust settings, and monitor progress with relative ease. One of the standout features of the TsoLay Commercial Embroidery Machine is its 12-needle capability. This allows for a diverse range of colors and designs without the need for constant thread changes. Users can load multiple threads simultaneously, which can significantly enhance efficiency, particularly during larger projects. Additionally, the machine supports various embroidery file formats, providing flexibility for users who may have existing designs they wish to import. Another notable aspect of this machine is its maximum embroidery area, which enables the execution of intricate designs on larger fabric pieces. This can be particularly beneficial for commercial applications, such as creating branded apparel or custom pieces for clients. The built-in USB port also facilitates easy file transfer, enabling users to quickly upload new designs and patterns. In terms of usage, the TsoLay Embroidery Machine serves both novice and experienced users. The included instructional manual provides detailed guidance on setup, threading, and operation, making it approachable for beginners. For seasoned embroiderers, the machine's advanced features can offer opportunities for creative exploration and experimentation with various embroidery techniques. In conclusion, the TsoLay Commercial Embroidery Machine stands out with its 12-needle functionality, user-friendly interface, and versatility in handling different designs. Whether for personal crafting or commercial use, this machine provides a robust option for those looking to enhance their embroidery capabilities. Its thoughtful design and comprehensive features cater to a range of users, making it a noteworthy addition to the embroidery equipment market.